Volkswagen Infotainment systems like MIB2, MB3, and Discover Pro can have connectivity issues with phones through Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay Android Auto. These often show as failed pairings or dropped connections. First, check compatibility requirements such as iOS 12 or later for CarPlay. For troubleshooting, start with basic steps. Enable Bluetooth on both your phone and the VW system. Then search for the VW system, often named after the vehicle like VW Golf 1234. Confirm the PIN code, which is usually 0000 or 1234. If that fails, delete old pairings from both your phone and the car. Also ensure no interference from other devices and that you're close enough for good signal strength. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, perform a soft reset via the infotainment menu or a full system wipe by a dealer if necessary. User forums report a 40 to 50% success rate with DIY resets. For persistent problems, professional reprogramming might be required. Volkswagen has been actively rolling out OTA updates, version 3 Plus from IB3, to improve wireless CarPlay stability and reduce pairing dropouts. Check for available updates through VW's CarNet app or your dealer. For older models, 2018 to 2023, issues are more frequent. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics and unified platforms to preemptively fix connectivity issues, with VW aiming to standardize infotainment across models by 2026. This will minimize model-specific bugs. Regularly updating your infotainment software is crucial for maintaining optimal connectivity.